Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I'm now dealing with 10th class maths, that is tangents and secants. In the previous class, I have done the construction of tangents, how to draw a tangent from a point outside the circle. Now, there are certain statements which are given there in your textbook, but sometimes you are getting that as the questions. You need to prove it. So let us see this first one. This one is Statement 1. The center of the circle lies on the bisector of the angle between the two tangents drawn from a point outside it. So, suppose this is the circle and this is the center of the circle and there is a point P. From the point P, let us suppose that these are the two tangents that are drawn. This is the point of contact PA and PB. So, these two are the tangents and the center of these tangents, what is that? The center of the circle, this is the center of the circle, lies on the bisector. Lies on the bisector means, draw a line like this, lies on the bisector of the angle between this. That means this is the angle, no? So we need to prove that these two angles are equal. So what is given to us? You have got a circle with center O and PA and PB are tangents. Okay, PA and PB are tangents. OP is, what is that? They said the center of the circle lies on the bisector. OP is the bisector of angle APB. Okay, OP is the bisector. Of course, this we need to prove, children. What is RTP? RTP is, OP is the bisector of angle APB. You have to prove. For this, you have got a construction. What is the construction? You have to join OA and OB. You have to join OA and OB. Join OA and OB. Now let us see the proof. See, when you are joining OA and OB, you are getting two triangles. So in triangle AOP and triangle BOP, in these two triangles, angle A is equal to angle B. Angle A is equal to angle B, that is 90 degrees. What is the reason? Because tangent is perpendicular to radius. We have already proved in the previous theorem. So tangent is always perpendicular to radius. OA is the radius. So AP is the tangent. So tangent is perpendicular to radius. So it is 90 degrees. And you can say that OA is equal to OB. Why are they equal? Because they are the radii. Radii of the circle, so they are equal. And also OP is equal to OP, it is common. So since this is common, you can say that triangle AOP is congruent to triangle BOP basing on RHS property, right angle hypotenuse side property. These two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, we can say that angle APO is equal to angle BPO. When angle APO is equal to angle PBO, then we can say that OP is the bisector of angle A, what did I say? Angle APB. Hence, proved. This is the proof of the theorem, children. Statement. Please write it. Now the next statement, children. The next statement is into concentric circles. So first you should know the meaning of concentric circles. Concentric circles means you will be having two circles with the same center. If you have two circles with the same center, they are considered as concentric circles. So these two are concentric circles. The chord of the bigger circle. Outside circle is bigger circle. So AB. This is the chord. You know that chord is the points joining the any two points of a circle. If you join, you are getting a chord. The chord of the bigger circle touches the smaller circle is bisected. So let me take this point as P. Then this chord is touching the smaller circle at P. Then we'll say that that touches the smaller circle is bisected at the point of contact. This is point of contact. Bisected means AP is equal to PB. You have to prove. So let us see. Very important statement, children. This you are getting in your examination. Many times I have seen what is given. You have got two concentric circles with center O. AB is the chord of bigger circle. AB intersects smaller circle at P. This is what they have given. Now what is RTP? You need to prove that AP is equal to PB. For this, you have a construction. What is the construction? You have to join AO, BO and OP. So join AO, BO and OP. So this is your construction. Because you have joined it like this, you are getting two triangles. So in the proof, you are talking about triangle APO and triangle BPO. In triangle APO and triangle BPO. In these two, see children, angle APO is equal to angle BPO is equal to 90 degrees. Why am I saying so? See children, this is the smaller circle and this is the line which is intersecting the circle at only one point. Then definitely AB becomes the tangent to the smaller circle. If AB is the tangent to the smaller circle, OP is the radius of the smaller circle. So tangent is perpendicular to radius. That is the reason why I said it is 90 degrees. So we'll be calling this as because tangent is perpendicular to radius. This is the reason why you are calling it as 90 degrees. And OA is equal to OB, they are radii. See, OA is the radius of the bigger circle. Similarly, OB is also radius of the bigger circle. So anyway, the radii are equal, so those two are equal. And OP is equal to OP, this is common. OP is equal to OP is common. Therefore, triangle APO is congruent to triangle BPO basing on RHS property, right angle hypotenuse side property. Therefore, what you can say, AP is equal to BP. You have to Right, PB I wrote. Okay, I'll write PB. AP is equal to PB. Hence, proved. This is the second theorem, children. Right, it is like a theorem only. Statements they said, but they are giving this in the examination. I have seen many a times, even earlier one also. Now, the statement 3 is, if two tangents AP and AQ are drawn to a circle with center O. So, there is a circle with center O. Two tangents are drawn like this. Two tangents AP and AQ are drawn drawn to a circle with center O from an external point A. So this is AP and this is AQ. Then angle QAP is equal to 2 times of angle QPO. So you have to join this. Angle QAP is equal to 2 times of angle QPO, and that is also equal to angle, 1 minute, let me see. It is angle QPO, okay, 2 times of angle QPO, that is equal to 2 times of angle OQP. OQP. This is what they have asked. OQP means you have to join this. 2 times of angle QPO. QPO and angle OQP. This you have to prove. Angle QAP is equal to 2 times of angle QPO, or it is OQP. This is what you need to prove. So now what is given to us? A circle with center O and AP and AQ are tangents. This is given to you. Now, what is RTP? You have to prove that angle QAP is equal to 2 times of angle QPO, that is equal to 2 times of angle OQP. QPO means this angle, children. OQP means this angle. That you need to prove. Now, here we take proof. I will do it here. Proof. Let angle QAP is equal to theta. I am considering this as an angle theta. Now we know that AP is equal to AQ. Why? Because they are the tangents from an external point. From an external point. Already you have done this. Tangents drawn from an external point are equal. So AP is equal to AQ. That means what? Triangle APQ is isosceles. It is isosceles triangle. APQ. When AP is equal to AQ, it is isosceles triangle. That means angle APQ is equal to angle AQP. Angle AQP. So these two angles are equal. Let us consider that is equal to x. We know that theta in triangle APQ, theta, that is this angle, plus this I am considering it as x and this as x. Theta plus x is equal to 180 degrees. You know, sum of the three angles is 180 degrees. That means theta plus 2x is equal to 180 degrees. So what is that? 2x is equal to 180 degrees minus theta. So x is equal to 180 degrees minus theta by 2. That means what you can say, you will write it as 180 degrees by 2 by minus theta by 2. That means 90 minus theta by 2. X value is 90 minus theta by 2 you have got. Now let us proceed. Let us talk about angle QPO. Actually, what is angle QPO? Angle QPO is nothing but angle P, that is angle APO, angle APO minus angle APQ. Yes or no? Angle QPO, this angle is equal to angle APO minus angle APQ. If you subtract it, you are getting angle QPO. So this is nothing but angle APO is X. X means how much? 90 minus theta by 2. So this is nothing but 90 minus theta by 2 minus of what is angle APQ? Angle APO. Sorry children, here angle APO is 90 degrees. Why? Tangent perpendicular to radius minus angle APQ. Separately I will write first, otherwise it will be easy for you to understand. Angle APO is equal to 90 degrees because tangent is perpendicular to radius. Afterwards you may get a doubt how it has come. That is why I am writing this children. Therefore, angle QPO is equal to 90 degrees minus angle APQ means x. X is 90 minus theta by 2. That is 90 minus 90 plus theta by 2. These two will get cancelled. Angle QPO is equal to theta by 2. So what is theta? 2 times of angle QPO. 2 when it's and it is 2 times of angle QPO. Theta is what? Theta is angle QAP. Therefore, angle QAP is equal to 2 times of angle QPO. So, one part, angle QAP is equal to 2 times of angle QPO, I have proved. Similarly, just you write that, similarly, we can prove angle QAP is equal to 2 times of angle OQP. Hence, proved. So, this is the theorem, children. Please note it down. Now, the next one, children. The next one is you need to prove that if a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to a circle, circumscribe a circle. What do you mean by circumscribe? Circumscribe means in the lower classes you have learned about circumcircle. In circle, circumcircle in your lower classes. Circumscribe means what? The quadrilateral should touch the sides of the triangle. Upon it you are drawing, means within a quadrilateral a circle is there and each and every means the circle is intersecting the quadrilateral at 4 points. That is the meaning. So how can you draw it? So if you draw a circle like this, okay, this is with O. Now this is one tangent you are drawing, and this is another drawing, another line, and this is another one, and this one is another line. So this is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral A, B, C, D. It is circumscribing the circle. That means it is intersecting it at a point. Let me take this point as P, this point as Q, this point as R, this point as S. So, what is given to you? You have got a circle with center O, and ABCD is a quadrilateral circumscribing the circle. It is circumscribing the circle. Now, what is RTP? You have to prove that AB plus CD. AB plus CD is equal to BC, AD plus BC. AD plus BC. So AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. This you have to prove. So let us see the proof. Proof is, we can say that AB is the tangent to the circle. So P is the point of contact. P is the point of contact. AB is the tangent. Okay, P is the point of contact. So in this case, what I can say, when AB is the tangent and P is the point of contact, I can say that AP is equal to PS. Why? See, this is external point. AP is one tangent and AS is one tangent, and P is the point of contact. So these two are considered as two tangents. So tangents, this is the theorem which you have learned. Basing on the theorem, tangents from an external point are equal. So AP is equal to AS. Now, similarly, we can prove that BP is equal to BQ, BP is equal to BQ, and CR is equal to CQ, CR is equal to CQ, and DR is equal to DS. DR is equal to DS. You can prove same way because they are all tangents drawn. Therefore, what is AB, children? AB plus CD is equal to, AB means AP plus PB plus AP plus PB plus CR plus RD or DR. CR plus DR. That means AP is equal to AS. Sorry children, it is not PS. AP is equal to AS. Basing on the theorem, AP is equal to AS. So what you can say, instead of AP, I can write AS plus, instead of PB, I can write BQ plus, instead of CR, I can write CQ plus, instead of DR, I can write DS. So AS plus DS. So let me regroup it. AS plus DS one group plus BQ plus CQ. I have grouped it. What is AS plus DS? Is nothing but AD plus BQ plus CQ is nothing but BC. Therefore, AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Hence, proved. This is the proof of this. Children, this is also I have seen many times in the exam. Now the next exercise, children. Now exercise 9.2. In this, the first one is choose the correct answer. Even though it is like a choose the correct answer, for the sums we need to do them, and they are important also. That is why I am doing them here. See, the first question is, of course, directly we can say the angle between the tangent to a circle and the radius at the point of contact. That means what, you have a circle with the center O, and there is a PA is the tangent. So, what is the angle? This angle they are asking. Always that is perpendicular, no? This is tangent is perpendicular to radius. You know that very pretty well. So, perpendicular means how much? It is 90 degrees. So, this is the answer for this bit. Now, from a point Q, the length of the tangent of a circle is 24 centimeters. So, you have got a circle. This is the center. This is point Q. From a point Q, the length of the tangent. So, let me write this PQ is the tangent. The length of the tangent to the circle is 24 centimeters. This is 24 centimeters. And the distance of Q from the center. From Q, the distance of Q from the center is how much they have given? 25 centimeters. Now, what is radius? OP is radius. What is this radius? They are asking. So, in triangle QPO, angle P is equal to 90 degrees because radius is perpendicular to tangent. So it is 90 degrees. Therefore, what you can say, OQ square is equal to PQ square plus OP square based on Pythagorean theorem. In a right angle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. We want OP. So, OP square is equal to OQ square minus PQ square. What is OQ? That is 25 square minus what is PQ? 24 square. That means 25 plus 24 into 25 minus 24, A plus B into A minus B. This is 49 into 1. So, OP square is equal to 49. What is OP? Root of 49. Of course, it is plus or minus 7, but we will be taking 7. Therefore, OP is equal to 7 centimeters is the answer for this problem, children. So, this much you have to do to get the answer. I have not written the various choices they have given, but you can write it. You should understand about it, children. This is about the second one. Choices that are given to you is 7 centimeters, 12 centimeters, 15 centimeters, 24 centimeters. So it is 7 centimeters. How did you get? By this calculation. I hope I am clear, children. Now let us see the next one. AP and AQ are two tangents of a circle with center O. So that angle QOP is 110 degrees. Now what is angle PAQ? They are asking. See children, we can consider APOQ is a quadrilateral. So, in the quadrilateral, the sum of the angles, angle A plus angle P plus angle O plus angle Q is equal to 360 degrees. The sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So we don't know what is angle A. Plus angle P is 90 degrees, we know, tangent and radius. Angle O is 110 degrees they have given. Again angle Q is 90 degrees, is 360 degrees. So that means angle A plus, this is 110, 200, 290 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. So what is angle A? Angle A is equal to 360 minus 290, 70 degrees. So what is angle A? Angle A means angle P, angle PAQ. Therefore angle PAQ is equal to 70 degrees is the answer for this problem. Children, see, even though these all are looking like objectives, you have got to different to choose the correct answer: 60 degrees, 70 degrees, 80 degrees, 90 degrees. So the answer is 70 degrees. You will be getting only when you do this. So I hope I am clear. Please copy it. Now the next one, children. Fourth bit, if tangents P and PB from a point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other at an angle of 80 degrees, then angle POA is. This is possible only when you draw the circle, when you draw the figure. This is suppose a circle with a center O. PA and PB are two tangents. Let me take PA and PB are two tangents with a circle center O, and these tangents are inclined at an angle of 80 degrees. This is 80 degrees. Then what is angle POA? So here what you have to do? You have to join OP and OA. Join OP and OA. This is construction. Join OP and OA. Then in that case, what is the, let us take the triangle. In triangle POA, angle A is 90 degrees. Why? Because tangent is perpendicular to radius. So you can say angle A is 90 degrees, and angle APO is equal to 80 by 2. We have already learnt it. This lies because the center lies on the bisector of that angle. This we have already learnt. So this is 80 degrees means how much you are getting? 40 degrees. So we can say that 90 degrees plus 40 degrees plus angle PAO is equal to the inclined at a angle. Okay, PA and PB are the two tangents that are drawn from a circle with the center O, and they are inclined to each other at 80 degrees. What is angle POA? Angle POA. Angle POA, we don't know. This is 90 degrees. This is 40 degrees. Angle POA, we don't know. So angle POA is equal to 180 degrees. That is 130 degrees plus angle POA is equal to 180 degrees. So what is angle POA? 130 degrees, children. 130 degrees. So angle POA is equal to 180 degrees minus 130 degrees. So that means angle POA is equal to 50 degrees is the answer. So this is 90, this is 40, this we don't know. That we have found out. This is fourth one. And let us see the fifth bit. In the figure, this is the figure given to you in your book. XY and X dash Y are tangents parallel to each other. This is one tangent, this is one tangent. These two are parallel to each other. And another tangent AB. This is another tangent with a point of contact C intersecting at xy, xy at A, at xy at A, x dash y dash at B. Now you have to find out what is angle BOA. Now let me say, children, in triangle BOA, angle angle BAO is equal to half of angle A. Why is it? Already we have learnt a theorem where this becomes from the center, the line drawn, this is the bisector of the tangents. These are the two tangents. So this is half of angle A. So what is angle A? Angle A will be 90 degrees. Why is it 90 degrees? Because these two are parallel lines. This is also a tangent. So definitely this will be a perpendicular one. That means how much you are getting? 45 degrees. So this angle you are getting it as 45 degrees. That means similarly angle A, we have got angle BAO. Angle ABO is equal to 45 degrees. Because how we have proved here, same proof we will be getting that. So we will be saying that angle BAO plus angle ABO plus angle BOA is equal to 180 degrees because they are angles in the triangle. So this is angle BAO is 45 degrees plus angle ABO is 45 degrees plus angle BOA is equal to 180 degrees. 45 plus 45, 90. 90 plus angle BOA is equal to 180 degrees. So what is angle BOA? Angle BOA is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Therefore, angle BOA is equal to 90 degrees is your answer. This is the first problem I have completed, children. Please note it down. With this, I am going to conclude my part today. In the next class, I will be teaching the next part.